Yo, what's up? It's Lil M to the A to the J-I-K, and today I am sticker bombing some headphones, and I'm going to show you guys how to do it if you are a complete beginner. Now, I'm a beginner too. Like, I haven't sticker bombed that many things, but I mean, it can't be that hard. It's stickers and the item that you're sticker bombing. But you know, first, before I had to get started, I had to make me a little plate of some dino nuggies and some french fries. They was so good. They was really so good. And you know, I had to dork for the one time. Honestly, food do really be that good, and if the food don't make you dork, then your food just ain't hitting. Anyways, I have these skull candy headphones that I had got. These headphones are bomb. You can adjust the bass all the way to the max, or you can have no bass at all. These headphones are so good. But I also have these stickers that I had got from SAC Anime. SAC Anime is the only convention I really went to. I want to go to more, but I'm just not sure at the current moment. But I have like those and some loose stickers, because in this video I'm also going to be updating my sticker book. So my first tip when sticker bombing something is to start with like a main sticker. Start with the sticker that you want to put in the center. This could be like your favorite sticker. Just pick one and put it in the middle. Damn. Now it also depends on what you're sticker bombing, because obviously this can't have, like, you know, a super big sticker on it, otherwise there's gonna be no space for other stickers. So that's why you want to pick your main sticker that you want to use, and then you're gonna want to use what I call filler stickers. So these are just stickers that are smaller. So that's what all these like stars and the sakura petals and the smiley faces are. So you just want to choose those little stickers and fill in the space. If you want to get a little bit more advanced, you can use the technique of using like a small sticker, a medium sticker, and a large sticker. It just creates visual interest and it just makes things look cohesive. And when I say small, medium, and large, I mean relative to the sticker that you're placing down. So if you have like a smiley face, you're gonna have to choose something that's smaller than one of the smiley faces. Another tip that I have is to pay attention to the colors that you're using. I try to have like an even balance of all of the colors, because even though my favorite color is green, I love all of the colors just as equally. So you just want to pay attention to the colors that you're using. I found it really beneficial to have like one of those filler packs, which is exactly what like the stars and the smiley faces were. You can find those again at the artist alley, or you can go to like Hobby Lobby, Michael's, or someplace like that. But those stickers really come in clutch when filling in the small spaces in between larger stickers. Okay, and the last tip that I have for you is, I didn't even learn this until later on, is that you can layer the stickers. You can literally put them on top of each other, and it just makes things look more full, more busy, and more like a sticker bomb effect. I hope that makes sense, but just layering it gives like depth and dimension to it. So don't be afraid to literally put a sticker on top of another sticker. I think that using like complementary colors, analogous colors, monochrome colors of stickers on top of each other look really good. I know that I did that with a few of the pinks, even with some of the greens and stuff. It just makes it look really cool. So try that out too. Also, don't be afraid to just reposition a sticker. I have pretty meaty claws, so using some tweezers probably would have helped. But yeah, if you really want to get the best stickers, I would definitely suggest hitting up your local anime convention, comic convention, cosplay convention, because all of them have something that's called an artist alley. If you're watching this, you probably already know this, but you can find the best stickers in the artist alley. And as you can see, I'm just filling my sticker book full of stickers that I had got at the artist alley. Some of my favorite artists right now are Lay Spirit Designs and Joey Blue Jay. They just have the best artwork to me, especially Joey Blue Jay. Like, I just love his artwork so much. It's just so like fun. I don't know how to I know that's like the worst way to explain, like, it's so fun, but it is really fun though. Just looking at these stickers and other people's art just brings me so much joy, and that's why I like to collect them. If you're gonna sticker bomb though, I've ran into this issue a couple times. Buy duplicates of your favorite, because I had like a really big water bottle that I had sticker bombed. I think I did this in an earlier video, but I had put some tea in it and I had put it somewhere and I forgot about it. And that water bottle reeked, absolutely reeked. And I didn't want to use it anymore, so I unfortunately had to toss it in the rubbish. But yeah, buy duplicates of your favorite stickers, so that way you can have one as like a collection and then you have one to use. So moving forward, I'm gonna definitely be doing that. I am so excited for the next con. The last one I missed. I went out to the club and I was supposed to go on day number 3, but I was just so tired after the club. So I can't wait to go to the next sec anime. I think I'm gonna cosplay as the Nyan cat next time. So make sure you drop a like if you want to see that. Okay, so these are what my headphones look like before the sticker bomb, and this is what they look like after. They just came out so good. They're just so me because everything on it is my interest, and I think they just turned out so well. I really hope you guys like this video. I haven't been posting a lot because the work has just been taking all my time. Like, it's literally been work, sleep, work, sleep. But I want to get back in my creative bag this year and start making more art. So if you guys like that, make sure you hit the thumbs up, hit the subscribe button so you can be notified every time I drop a new video. And I will catch you guys in the next one. In the next video, I think I'm gonna start a new sketchbook. So I'm gonna like deck out a whole sketchbook. So make sure you're there for that, or be square. Doses.